Here's how to get Seedance 2.0 free access. And I don't know how long this is going to be available for. Make sure you jump in on this while it still works. Hi guys, it's Chet here from websitewizard.tv. If you're new here, make sure you smash that subscribe button and let me know by leaving a comment saying I subscribed, and I'll reply to each and every one of you. Let's dive straight in. So to get your Seedance 2.0 free access, go over to Google and search Dreamina. And I'll leave a link to that below the video. So you can see this Seedance 2.0 free here. So click on that, then click Create Now. Fun fact, Seedance and CapCut are owned by the same company that own TikTok. So on the left, click Sign In, then click Continue with Email, then click Sign Up. And enter your email here and choose a password. Then you want to enter the code you got sent to your email. Now you can just put anything you want for your birthday. I'm just going to put an adult age here just in case it has some kind of restriction, but I'm just putting anything here for that age. And just enter whatever you want here. So as you can see on the left here, we get 105 free credits to use every day. And if you hover over here, you can see we can use that to create an agent, images, videos, avatars, or audios. Now, if you're not getting this free access for some reason, just use a VPN when you sign up. The Opera browser comes with a free VPN built in, so you can choose a country like UK, USA, China, and you should be good. But in my case, I'm not using a VPN and it works fine. So we're going to be using Seedance 2.0, so we're going to select the AI video tab here. And you want to make sure you're using a Seedance 2.0 fast model here, otherwise this won't work. And then you can select here whether you want a horizontal video or a vertical one. And then we can click to make the video 15 seconds here. Now I'm going to be using an image as a reference, so I'm going to select that from my computer. And I've uploaded an image of myself wearing a mask. And I show you how to do that in a free guide below the video. Now the reason I uploaded a picture of myself wearing a mask is because if you look here, it says real human faces are not supported. So if you did try and upload an image of yourself with your face visible, you'll get an error message like this. Now, if you hover over the image here, you can see it's named it image 1. So if you're going to reference an image in your prompt, you need to use the @ tag followed by image 1. So now I'm going to paste in this prompt right here. And if you want to know how to generate these prompts, check out the free guide. It has everything you need, all the prompts, all the tools, and it also has a link to my free community where you can learn how to make money from these videos. So be sure to check that out below the video. Now, when you hover over the button here, you can say it says 1 free use. But I'm going to show you how to get around that later. So once you enter your prompt here, go ahead and click generate and then confirm that you have the rights for the image, and then it's generating our video. Now keep in mind, when you do enter your prompts, you might get an error message like this. And that's because they have heavy restrictions, but the good thing is you do get your credits back when that happens. And so here's our video we've created. So as you can see, it's creating this awesome video right here. So you can use Seedance 2.0 to create amazing cinematic videos like this. Now, even though we get Seedance 2.0 free access here, it's limited to only one video. Now, one way around this is you can just sign up again with a new email and create your next video. And you can basically just keep doing that. And then you'll end up with a bunch of accounts with free credits that you can use every day. And here's a second account I've created. And I'm going to create a second video right here using another prompt that you can find in a free guide below the video. So let's take a look at that. And as you can see, it's created another awesome video right here. And I created another account and made a third video here. So you can even put all these videos together and make a mini movie. So you can keep doing that when you want to create another video, or the other option is you can actually sign up for a free 7-day trial and you'll get 1,575 credits, which you can create a bunch of videos with. But if you do that, just be sure to cancel before the 7 days so you don't get charged. Now, before I wrap up, I just want to show you how cool the AI avatar option is here. So if you click on Explore, you can click on AI avatar here. So you want to select your avatar here. So I already created that earlier, but you can create that using the AI image option inside the Explore tab here. Then you want to select your voice here. So select whatever you want here. I'm going to select this one right here, and you can click play to preview that. Then just paste in or type in whatever you want the avatar to say here, and then click generate.
Hey guys, if you liked the video, show some love and smash the like button.
So now we've got this awesome talking avatar, and you can use this to create faceless YouTube videos and more. So as you can see, each day you can use these free credits here to do a bunch of cool stuff. And again, everything you need is in a free guide below, so if you want to make the most of your Seedance 2.0 free access, go check it out. Smash like if you found the video helpful, drop a comment below if you have a question, and subscribe if you want more videos like this.